Governor Seyimakinde of Oyo State has finally spoken about the rumors flying around him about running for the president in the 2027 elections. In a live media chat this Saturday, December 21st, in Ibadan, Oyo State, Governor Makinde made it clear that his focus right now is on finishing his second term and not on any presidential dreams. He said, "The people of Oyo State has given me work to do, and that is where my energy is right now, not the presidency in 2027. The governor also used the opportunity to address some pressing issues in the state. Makinde reassured the people of Oyo State that all ongoing roads constructions and renovation projects will be finished before the end of his tenure. When a student asked if school fees could be reduced, Makinde suggested they apply for student loans. He explained that the state government has already increased the minimum wage to help families cope with financial challenges. For months, there's been talk that Makinde might contest for the PDP presidential ticket to face President Tinubu in 2027. But for now, the governor has put those rumors to rest. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more verified and reliable news updates.